How's the focus? Good? Hopefully the focus is good. I have no idea. What's up, guys? In this quick video, we're going to be unboxing a new helmet that I bought. I put a hint on my story. If you missed it, you missed it, but now you're gonna see it, so you really didn't miss it. It's picking those bars. But yeah, this is the box right here. It's all beat up, so I didn't even open it. Didn't even open nothing yet. So we're gonna open it together. Let's do it. Ooh, let's go unboxing. Cha. Kids. Good deal, guys. Pull the card. From Spain. That's what? Almost to Spain. Just to work at that for. All the information in the description. Welcome to the video. A box inside a box. The box doesn't damage. You guys see that? Ooh, Italiano. Italiano. Let me take this box outside the box. Got some paperwork. Throw this over here. Boom, box in the box. You can see I got X-Lite performance helmets. Never had this type of helmet before. And I'm excited because in the picture it looks so good. Open it. It says open here. I follow instructions. Open. Open it. So what did I do? I only have box helmets, pretty much as you can see. I have 1, 2, 3 box helmets and an X-Lite strap, so down one. So the only helmets I ever owned was box helmets and Scorpion, amazing. Box helmets again. See, opening the box, this is what you guys, this is what I see. Oh my god, it comes. Guys, it comes with a pin lock. Included. Pin lock. If you're gonna know, you know. If you're gonna know, you don't know, but pin lock pretty much is you plug it inside the visor so it doesn't fog up when you're riding in humid conditions. It comes with it. Oh my god. It comes with a small visor. But anyway, I got X-Lite 803 RS, right? RS, X-Lite 803 RS. And with an additional name, less. I still got the helmet right, that's all you're waiting for. Oh my god, it looks amazing from this. Look at that, guys. You guys see that? Look at this racing helmet. Exciting. So my plan for this helmet is pretty much using it on the track and on the road. So both. This is exciting. You want to see? Because I want to see this. Let's see this. Christmas came in early. Open this. Let's see it together. Right. Oh my god. So I guess the other visor is the gold visor. Damn, guys. You guys see this? You guys see this? It comes with a a clear visor and a gold visor. Damn, guys, look at this. In person, it looks great. Oh my god. It's a bunch of locking tabs. Look at this. That spoiler. This looks great. What do you guys think? So this right here, if you guys want to take this part out of the helmet, you can replace it with these right here so it's not as aggressive. Yeah. Now medium, hopefully it fits. But there's more stuff right here too. So this one is not sure. Are you guys getting this? I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at this carbon fiber. Look at this. It looks great. I can't wait to try this out in the summer. Look at that, the green inside. Let's try this on, right? Wow. The fit is amazing. The strap right here is just like the Scorpion. Wow. Wow. How does it look? Feels great. Very snug, medium. It says a medium. Oh wow. Ugh. Feels great. I love it, guys. So far, I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy. The fit is great. Very light helmet. This is the lightest helmet I've ever felt. Can't wait to try it out. You put the gold visor so you can check it out. I'm gonna put some gloves because I don't want to get anything dirty. I mean, I already got the whole helmet dirty, so with my oily hands, let's just clean it. Just press this right here, this button, and it pops right out, both sides. And there you have it, the X-Lite 803 RS Ultra Carbon Gold Golden Edition. Look at that gold visor. Looks great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends. Thumbnail time.